Mama, what's up with this one you're dancing? What is it now?
Ah! Dance with me! Dance with me! Where are you looking? Where are you looking? Go ahead, do it! Here! Give it! Hey, what? That's like, what are you doing? That's like an Igbo girl. Here, you have it.
Mama.
You. Oh. You're running away.
It's my mother.
Oh, now you are here.
Huh?
Huh?
You're back.
Hey, I'm back. Oh, I searched for you in your room. I didn't see you.
I wanted to peel this bell on in front of the house, but I could not stand your co-wife and her stupid daughter's drama. I had to come here.
Eh? Wait, oh, I'm coming. Let me bring you. Hey!
Mama, what is the excitement all about?
So you noticed my excitement?
Of course now.
Give me the light.
Don't worry, don't go ahead like that.
Mama, I know whatever that caused this kind of excitement must be very big.
You are very correct.
And my ears are itching me already to receive the full gist. Mama, start talking.
Adam,
Mama,
if I don't tell you, who else will like that?
Amazimo.
Hey! But you know what? Before I start, that plantain that I asked Chima to bring, I hope you took it inside. The plantain.
But Mama, how can I do such a thing? Knowing what is at stake. I can't now.
Nebechi, I wouldn't want to find out that you are lying to me.
Have I ever lied to you before? I am telling you the truth.
Okay. Hey.
Okay. So can you now tell me what this joy and happiness is all about?
My daughter, you won't believe the announcement we received this afternoon at the women's meeting.
Tell me about it.
Adam, Mama, a new Adifi will emerge soon.
Wow.
Yes.
That's a good news.
Of course. And that is why I've been so happy.
Yes.
So.
Hey. Mama, I know you are happy because it's not just a good news. Tell me more. What did he say?
Hey! You want to hear? One, that new Adifi is emerging from this particular family.
Chimo.
Yes.
Mama, that's another good news.
And you know the person. That new Adifi is my beloved daughter Chamaka Okoye Ibe.
That is me.
Yes!
Hi! Mama, I will be the next Adifi. Mama, that's a good news. Mama, that's a good news. Mama, that's a good news.
Hey! This is good news. Yes, oh my daughter.
This is really good news.
Good news indeed. I couldn't contain my joy ever since that announcement was made.
Oh my goodness. Hey! I'm so happy right now.
The Igwe, all the cabinet chiefs, the decision makers know exactly the main reason for the long delay. And it doesn't matter anymore. As long as our family will benefit from it.
Mama, does it matter? The end point is that our family was chosen. And you know what? We should be celebrating, Mama. Hey! Of course. Okay. Now I know the reason for the drama in front of the house.
That is the reason.
They have not seen anything yet. Yes. The real drama will show when you have finally been crowned the new Adifi.
Hey, Mama, I cannot wait. So people will be paying homages to me.
Bam.
Bam.
You have it.
Yes, so, and I will be walking around the village with my Odunze and mates.
Bam.
Hey!
You have it. You have it.
Mama, it don't just end like that.
Okay.
People will go around the village bowing down to me.
Oh!
When they see me, they will bow down to say, "Greetings, Adife. May your days be long." The new Adife. Mama, watch me now.
Hey!
I will now walk like this.
You have it.
I walk like this.
You have it.
I walk like this.
You have it.
I walk like this.
You have it.
I
Hey! You know it exactly. You know it. And you know what? You will consider those two as your mates.
But that will be over my dead body. Never.
Calm down, my daughter. It hasn't gotten to the extent of swearing.
Mama, it has gotten to that and even beyond. You know these people? I will not give them any chance. Yeah, chance. You know what they can do? I will not.
Wait. I say you should calm down, okay? We shouldn't behave like them just to put them on check. We cannot behave like mad people because we are living with mad neighbors.
No, Mama, no. I disagree with you. A sane man cannot be living with a mad person. But now, it is either he packs his things and leave, or he will become mad to be able to match his mad neighbor's energy. And in this situation, Mama, the first option is a no-no. So we are left with just the second option. Rubbish!
Enugo. No!
Chelo, Mama, between Amaka and I, who is going to be this Adife?
The Ada of the chosen family becomes the Adife. One more thing. Since the Igwe does not have a female child, who becomes the Adife now automatically becomes the Adeze of our village.
Bam! Hey, hey! Hey, hey! Yeah! Hello! Amaka,
Mama,
Inu Kwanka.
I know me.
Hey!
Onye ga-enye m, ọ bụghị ma nwa. Onye ga-abụghị ma nwa. Onye ga.
Hey, Nai, you have not told us.
On him. When exactly are they going to crown my daughter? When is the coronation taking place?
I think the coronation will be as soon as possible. Very, very soon.
Hey!
Very soon.
Will it take place within this weekend?
Papa, you said the Ada of the chosen family will become the Adife. And I ask, who is the Ada of this family?
Shut up! Get quiet! Shut it up! What sort of stupid question is that? I'm asking you. What sort of stupid question is that? Oh, you're stretching your mouth, you're asking questions. What do you mean? Oh! So how dare you? You want to begin to rub shoulders with my daughter, my precious daughter in this house. The first daughter, the only legitimate daughter of this family.
Judieba, what do you mean by the only legitimate daughter of this family? Engrumwanya kisere nke osise. Onye gwagi?
Hey!
Now you say something here.
Keep quiet! You see? Your little secret, you have just opened it now into the thin air. Yes, that is what you have done.
What secret are you talking about?
You want me to tell you?
What do you mean by secret, little secret? Say it. Which secret are you talking about? Say that secret, let's hear.
Okay. Chinwe, who is the father of...
What? What do you mean by that?
Who is the father of
Now you go to why are you looking at me? What is it, my daughter? Talk to me.
Mama, is it true?
Is what true?
What Mamaka said out there, is it true?
Oh. It's all about Ngozi's unguided utterances. Nebechi, my daughter, you should have known that woman by now. That she says whatever she wants to say at any time. No matter how wrong they are.
Mama, this is different. This is different. It is not the first time she's saying it, and the seriousness on her face is too much to be swept under the carpet.
So what point are you making exactly?
Who is my biological father? Onyebunam.
Did you ask me that question? Did you?
Uche, I want to ask you again. Who is the father of Nebechi? I'm asking you. Are you her father?
Ngozi.
9.
What is wrong with you? I mean, what is wrong with you? Why do you like creating unnecessary problem? Now, let me ask you. What do you really want?
Bam! That is it. Very good question. Very, very good question. Akaraka, Akari, come. Send her straight to her father's compound. And do the same thing to her mother. Send the mother back to her father's compound. Oh, wow. Let's go.
Huh?
Let's go, you're sitting down.
No,
hey, Mama.
Mama, sorry.
Nonsense.
So you now believe what that woman says over mine?
No, Mama. But I need answers. I have been called a bastard by some people in this village, both men and women. And I keep telling you about it. I can't just continue to overlook these things. Mama, who is my father? Who is my father?
When you are ready, you come in.
Mama? Mama? Mama, good morning. Mama? Mama?
Nebechi, what you did last night was uncalled for. I mean, how could you?
Mama. But I have said I am sorry now. It's me, oh. You're from Boranya. Because
honestly, this is not funny. You went over the line.
Mama, that is why I am trying to come on the line.
Nebechi.
Okay, no jokes. I'm sorry.
That's all right. That's all right. I've forgiven you.
Thank you. Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome, my daughter. You're welcome.
Okay, let me help you.
Are you sure you can do it?
Mama. But I've been doing this before now.
Ngwano. Oh, yeah.
I only apologize to my mother because I don't want her to be sad. But the truth remains that I am not convinced yet. The way Mama Amaka talks about this and the ones coming from outsiders are really giving me a serious cause for concern. I am just confused on what or whom to believe on this. Should I go to Mama Amaka to find out things from her? I won't do such a thing. That will certainly give her another thing to gloat over my mother. But how then am I going to find out the truth? Oh my God.
Nebechi.
Lebechi. So it has gotten to the extent of you walking past me without recognizing or greeting me.
I'm so sorry. Good morning. I was just lost in thought. I'm sorry.
What are you thinking?
Nothing serious.
Nothing serious. Okay. Where is your father?
He was at home when I left.
Okay. Let me go and see him.
Ibe! Easy. Ooh! 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 Easy. Oh, if I cannot move again. Hey, come. Ooh. Oh. Ibe, oh my waist now, oh my waist. I'm holding it. Whoa! Oh my waist. I'm holding it. Useless man, oh my waist. I'm holding it. Hey. Ooh. Oh. Easy. If I hold my waist, hold me. If I will follow.
I'm coming, wait. Just hold on. I'm coming. Hold on, wait for me.
If you hold me, let me sit down first.
I'm coming.
My waist now! Ibe, please come! The baby is here! Come! The baby is here!
No, not now. Wait.
Ibe, what is happening? Have they delivered? I came immediately and got your message.
Yeah, they are still in theater. I'm here to see the midwife or doctor. Madam, please, how did it go? Hope they made it.
Calm down, Mr. Ibe. The surgery was successful. Your wives gave birth to 2 beautiful baby girls.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you. Can I see them now?
Rather, midwife.
Oh, sorry, midwife. How are they doing? Can I see them?
Both of them are doing great.
So thank you very much. So, let me see them now.
I don't think you can see them now. There's some procedures. We need to take care of them. Hey, doctor, what's the situation?
Both of them are reunited with their daughters in the world, but they are still asleep.
Okay, but can I see them at least?
Alright. Doctor, please take them to the ward. Fine. Congratulations once
again. Thank you. Yes. Doctor, I've heard everything you said. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
You keep referring to me as a doctor. My husband was a doctor before he died. I might be the one in charge of this hospital now, but I'm only a midwife. The truth is, I was only doing my job.
And you're doing it excellently. Yeah.
That's our standard here. We try to be as professional as we can. Thanks for the compliments.
Yeah. Thank you once again.
You're welcome.
We really appreciate it. Yeah.
You're welcome. Please, if you wouldn't mind, I have something to do inside.
It's okay.
Please, it's okay.
Wow. So now, I'm the father of 2 beautiful babies. God, I thank you.
But Ibe, why didn't you ask her who put to bed first?
Does it matter? The most important thing right now is that the surgery went well. And my wives and babies are in good condition.
Ibe, I know why I'm saying so, and it's very important.
It's okay. I've heard you. I'll ask her later. But right now, I need to go and get some stuff for my wives. Are you coming with me?
Of course. Let's go.
I never knew it will come to this, honestly.
But I warned you, or didn't I? You even told me that you are going to ask later. But you never did. Look at the result now.
Ukwa, like I said, let us forget about the past. What do you think I should do now to come out of this mess?
Forget the past, eh?
Uh-huh.
No problem. For me, I think there is no problem. Just pick one of them and name your other. Case close.
But you and I know it will not work.
Why?
Because they have already known that I don't know whom their other is. So picking anyone will lead the other one to make case out of it. And you know what that means? Huh?
I didn't think of that.
Oh.
Yes, Okwawula. We have to pay a visit to the midwife.
EJ.
I am very sure she will definitely remember.
What are we waiting for? Kaigawa na agawa.
That is it.
Huh? Hey.
I hope somebody's.
If you need guy just
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
How are you doing, my son?
I'm fine, sir.
Please, we're looking for Madam Peace, the midwife. Is she in?
My madam? She's not in. She traveled to Akwara village, but she'll be coming back very soon.
How soon? Because we really want to see her. It's urgent.
Okay, I see. She'll be coming back very soon. Within the weekend, she will return. Hope there's no problem.
Mom, there's no problem. Just tell her that we visited. We'll be coming back to see her. Huh? It's very important.
There's no problem, child. I will tell her once she returns.
Okay. Let's go.
Take care. Bye-bye. Hello?
You're welcome.
So how is the kingdom business?
Well, we are coping.
With the wahalas here. Oh.
Grandma.
That's my boy. Hello, son.
Grandma, is this you?
That's me.
You're welcome. You're welcome. When did you come?
About an hour ago. Came in by 1 o'clock.
Since 1 o'clock and you didn't even get a call.
Yeah, it's going to be back.
Grandma, that's not fair now.
Wow.
Dad, I greet you.
Now he notices me. As if I was invisible.
Your Majesty, let my son be. You're always here with him, are you not?
Don't mind my father, don't mind him.
Both of you can continue to gist as long as you want. Don't call me. Both of you should just...
Tell me you're jealous, are you? Your Majesty, are you jealous?
brother, take it easy. Take it easy. I am sure we will find a way to resolve this issue before the occasion that will usher in the coronation. Boy, you know I must present my first daughter before the council of the elders and women group before the festival. I know. That is why I told you that before that time, we will find a way to resolve this matter. Eh? I just realized I have made a very bad mistake. Eh? You've made a mistake, acceptable. But that will be corrected. When the midwife comes back to the village, all this matter will be put to rest. Just thank God that she's still alive to resolve these issues. Put your heart at rest, my brother. Put your heart at rest. I am sure this will not cause more confusion than it has already. Okay.
This is unbelievable, coming from a man that will potentially rule the state by next May. But you know what? I'm not so surprised, because this has always been his character.
Grandma, you know the man in person?
Yes. He is the same man that laid claim to my late husband's 2 acres of land in the capital city. The then state governor backed him because he was friends with his father.
Grandma, are you saying that Chief Ukadike did this? Why did you tell my father?
My dear Anthony, this happened 12 years ago. I didn't even know he is friends with my son-in-law, your father. I wonder how they became friends. I really do.
Grandma, I need to see how the kingdom will wask his release into my ears. It was deafening. My father made me to see him as the master of love, equity, justice, benevolence. The master of love in heaven.
You don't have to blame your father so much for trusting and having confidence in him. He came with a mission, and he must have marketed himself very well to your father. What I don't understand is why he is insisting you marry this girl. I don't.
Grandma, this is not the first time I'm knowing my father. This wouldn't be the last. I must marry his anointed, as far as he's concerned. And you're aware already.
Yes, I am. The last time I visited, we discussed at length with your father. And with his response, I thought he has changed. But no. I honestly still wonder why he is insisting. But not to worry. We will talk about that with him again. Just relax. Yes.
What? You mean Ukadike was the man who claimed your land?
Yes. He had the backing of the then state governor, who was friends to his father. So he had a smooth ride of it. It was very easy for him to claim. I didn't know you were friends with him.
The truth is, we crossed paths about 2 years ago. Yes. It was at an event. And since then, we've been good friends.
Your Majesty, 2 years? That's not long enough for the prince to marry his daughter. You barely know them, do you? You don't even know them.
The truth is, I didn't see this coming. You know, when I met him, he appeared to be the perfect type. I mean, he looked clean to me.
Your Majesty, Anthony should be given the chance to choose his bride. Or do you think he's not old enough?
It's not as if I think he's not old enough. It's just that I don't want him to just bring any girl to the palace as a wife. He will ascend the throne eventually. And I need a strong woman, a woman with qualities that can complement his own, to sit by his side.
Your Majesty, my grandson is a wise and intelligent young man. He knows what is best for him. Come to think of it, someone that will be saddled with the responsibility of ruling such a big kingdom. If he can't choose a bride for himself, then the kingship should not be given to him. He is not qualified. Don't you think so? Your Majesty, I pray you ponder on this. Think about this, please.
Here you are. I heard you and your brother went to see Madam Peace today. So what did she say?
Nothing. We did not even see her.
When next are you going to see her?
Very good. Finish the question. Finish it! So that you can go and interfere with the testimony, okay? I'm asking you.
You see what you just said now? Exactly what you know how to do best.
You have failed. Your plans have failed. They have failed. Bam! That is it.
Hey. Let me ask you. What plans are you talking about? I know I gave birth before you. So I don't need any plan. I don't need any plan.
When you gave birth before who? You. Before who?
Before you.
Make sure you keep quiet there. Shut it up before I shut you down.
You shut me down?
Yes, I will shut you down. You gave birth before who?
I gave birth before you.
Chinwe.
Yes.
You are rising up.
Yes, I am rising
like a palm tree. You want to explode. What do you want to do?
Why are you asking me what do I want to do?
Over my dead body. Will I allow your daughter to become an adult in this house?
And you will die.
You're stretching hand at me.
You will die.
You're stretching
You
hand at me.
said over your
want
dead
to
body.
fight up here?
My daughter will become the adult.
You want to fight? I'm asking you.
Of course, everyone in this community.
I get back before you.
I get back before you.
Hey!
Mama,
Adam!
watch me.
Adife!
Mama, watch me.
Asam!
Oh!
Bugawam!
Abem naru.
Bugawam!
Abem naru, Mama.
Hey! Hey! My princess! My princess! My beautiful daughter! Like, give me those steps. Give me those steps. Oh yeah.
Hey, Adife.
Hey! Mama.
One and only.
Take the step again.
One and only.
Take it again.
Adife.
Take it again. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Yes. Let me go to the market. Oh. Let me go to the market. Okay. Remember what I told you. You know that some people are envious and they are jealous of your position. So do you know what I want you to do? Hey, I want you to open your eye like this. And you'll be looking at them. Are you seeing my eye? This is how you open it very wide and you'll be looking at them. Eh? Let me go to the market. I'll still come back. I'll come back soon.
Mama Adife, the matter mother of the princess. Go well. Mama, go well.
Who is that? Who want to bring down the gate?
It is me, Ichie Okwoha. I've been knocking since. Ichie Okwoha.
Ichie. Hey.
How are you, my son?
Ichie, I'm fine.
I've been knocking since.
Sorry, sir. I was busy. I was busy doing something at the backyard. You know now.
It's all right. I'm here to see Madam Peace.
Oh, Madam Peace. She's not around though.
But she's back. I saw her this morning myself.
Ichie, I did not say she's not back. She came back, she went out, but she's not yet back. It's the same thing now.
When is she going to return?
Ichie, I think very soon she'll come back. Very soon. But I don't really know the time, but very soon.
I hope you told her that we visited the other time.
Hey, wait! Hey! Ichie, I forgot to... Hey!
Mom, we told you that day that this our visit is very important and urgent. Something is about to spoil. We want to see her urgently.
I understand it. People, I'm sorry. You see, I never planned it. Everything just happened so fast. Immediately she came, she just... Next thing, I forgot. You know now. This is our work. I'm very, very sorry. I'm very, very sorry. I promise I will deliver this one.
I'm supposed to be here with my brother.
I understand.
But he went to do some other things.
Okay.
Please, make sure that you tell her this time that we are here. Before something damages.
Please don't be offended. You know, when she just came back, everything just, at the very fast, everything was just few. Before you know, I forgot. But I was hoping to tell her today when she comes back.
Please, don't forget this time.
I will never forget.
I will be going.
Mamma, I will never forget. Ichie, I'm sorry, Take care. Hey. Do what? This work, you don't go keep person.
Some people are jealous of me. Hey, Buganwa, one and only Adife. So, this drama you just displayed now is simply because of me becoming the Adife. That's why it's paining you.
My friend, wake up! I say, wake up from that your dirty sleep. Because in a run, wake up! Who does you? Adebe. Come on, Biliano no sister. Ano. Abango. I will sauce Adife. Ma dabali.
Tell. Onye kudatin.
Amu kudatin.
Konye kudatin now.
Amu kudatin.
Hello. Never you stupid.
I singing in what bango?
Believe.
What are you doing? Is that a mosquito walking or goat walking? Hey. It's not by mosquito walking, no. It's not by mosquito walking.
It's by again. I know what your problem is. You are simply jealous of me because I am becoming the Adife. Hey, some people jealous me. Some people jealous me. Some people jealous me because I am Adife.
Some people are dreaming. Some people are dreaming. Some people are dreaming because of malaria. Nonsense. What am I standing here doing? Ibonyala. Ibonyabango. Ibonyala. Ibonyala. Some people jealous me. Some people jealous me because I am a defense. Defend them.
Good day, man.
How are you?
I'm fine, man. Madam, there is something I forgot to tell you, man.
What is it?
It's about someone came here to look for you, man.
Someone?
Yes,
Is he or she?
Is he? Iche Ibe's brother. Yes, the tall one and the fair one.
Iche Ibe's brother.
Yes, ma'am.
Did he say why he wanted to see me?
No. Not tell me anything. The only thing that he said that I should tell you that they need to see you for the matter of urgency. I don't really know. He was really emphasizing on it. It's as if the thing is very, very important. Like very important. I don't know. They even kept looking for you when you were in city. I forgot to tell you.
You forgot?
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry, ma'am.
Oh, dear me. This must be the opportunity I've been waiting for to get this burden out of my chest. Oh, God help me. Aloy.
Ma.
Remind me later. You'll go to Ichebe's house to deliver a message for me.
Okay, ma.
Don't forget this time around.
I will not forget, ma. Ma, I was doing something else.
Go and finish up what you're doing.
Thank you.
Wow, God help me. This will be a good opportunity to get this done with.
Mama, please remember to tell Naya exactly what I told you.
You don't have any problem, huh? He will hear that you came.
Okay, ma. Okay, catch you for ma.
Oh, no.
Yeah, sure, go. Yeah, come.
Good afternoon.
Are you not Madam Peace's driver?
Yes, I am.
So what's going on here? Why did you say Kachifo when I came in?
I was about leaving before you came in. That is why I say Kachifo, ma.
So what were you discussing with her?
I actually came here to deliver a message from Madam Peace.
So what did she say?
I actually told her to deliver the message to Iche that Madam Peace will be visiting tomorrow. That was exactly what I came here to tell her before you came in. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, now one.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. It's a bad one.
Madam Peace will be coming tomorrow. I hope it is not what I'm thinking. This woman, I don't trust you.
Mama.
Amaka.
Mama, what is it? Please do not tell me it's nothing. Because I've been standing here calling your name and you didn't even notice me.
I'm just thinking.
About what?
Madam Peace will be coming here tomorrow morning.
Hey.
Apparently, to tell us who the first daughter of this family is.
That's good. It's a good news.
I'm suspecting something.
What is it?
Do you know what? I saw Chinwe discussing with Madam Peace's driver. Immediately I came in, fiam, the boy left. Yes. That woman is up to something.
So finally, we will know who the first child of this family is. But Mama, what if she calls Nebechi instead of me?
It will never happen. Not when I'm alive.
What if, Mama? What if?
It will never happen. Forget it. I don't trust them. I know she must have bribed Madam Peace. Trust me.
Me, I don't want to lose the position of the Adife or the Mumba.
You will not lose it.
Mama, it should be me. Adife or the Mumba.
That's all I can remember. We had to do the operation simultaneously because both were in critical condition.
Madam Peace, we've all heard what you said, but we want you to think deep. There must be something you will remember. Think. We need answer to this question before things goes from bad to worst.
That's all I could remember. Hold on. I think I just remembered something. Though at birth, both were fair complexioned, but I knew one will eventually be dark-skinned because of her ears.
What then are you trying to say, Madam Peace? Guam can know. Huh?
I think Nebechi was the first to be born.
Thunder fire you there. Thunder remove everything inside that your mouth you call teeth. I knew it. I knew she has brought you over. You're not even ashamed of yourself.
I beg your pardon.
And you will never have my pardon. Very sure, you will never have my pardon.
Angry woman. Ngozi, be quiet and listen to what I'm about to say.
Listen to what? What am I listening to? What am I listening to? With your age and position, you can allow yourself to be brought over by this stupid thing.
May Thunder rip off this your stupid mouth. Is it me you are referring to as cheap thing?
Chinwe, this is why I got angry with you. Stop giving yourself undeserved credit. Sit down.
Well, I've always known you as a wailer, so I am not surprised. But get ready to wail more. When my daughter here will be crowned the Adife of this country.
Oh! Hi! It's a lie! Yes, wake up from that dream! Wake up from that dream now! Kuna. Yes!
Hey! Hey! Why did you just call my mother?
Fighting cannot solve this situation.
Madam, let's go.
It's only love. Only love. It's only love. I feel it. Only love. But keep your distance from people who we never admit they are wrong. 'Cause they will always try to make it feel like it's all your fault. Oh.
She couldn't even allow me say what I was about to say. I thought this would be an opportunity to let this out and be free, but I was wrong. Oh dear me, how am I going to do this without risking that angry woman's verbal and physical attacks. I have carried this burden for so long a time, and it's weighing me down. There must be a way out. There must be, oh God, help me, my God. There must be a way out. Anthony, how are you?
Ichi, I'm tired with this your family. Eh? What is really wrong with all of you? What on earth is wrong with all of you? Must you resort to fight to settle issues? Up every day. Eh? In fact, what issue has fight ever settled or resolved?
Ichie, no need throwing blames around. Yes, no need throwing blames around. You see this woman here, and her daughter, they are the reason for the problems in this house. Bam! They quietly came in here to take away my peace that I'm enjoying in my husband's house.
How do you mean?
Good. And not only that, they bribed that old witch to take my daughter's birthright and give to her daughter. Bam! It will never work.
I know it will come to this. I know it will come to this. None of you will accept it. When she said the other gave birth first. But, Ngozi, how did you know that Chinwe influenced Madam P's testimony?
Sit down very well. Cross your legs, she's crossing her own. Bam. Because I saw her and Madam P's driver this morning. Yes. And from every indication right here, I'm not mistaken.
Chinwe, my wife. What do you
stretch your leg very well. Are you not seeing her? She's placing her hand. Place your hand. Stretch your hand.
What do you have to say, my wife?
Nayokwa, what do you want me to say? No, tell me. What exactly do you want me to say?
Exactly what you told Madam Peace that made her want to give my daughter, my daughter's right to your daughter. Begin to talk. Now. She's stretching her hair. You're looking at her. Stretch your own. Sit very well. Chest out. And no fear.
Chinwe, did you discuss anything with Madam Peace before now?
Who could I have discussed with Madam Peace? She's only behaving like a mad dog because my daughter was the one Madam Peace called and not hers.
You're calling my mother mad dog, mother of the next Adife.
Leave her alone, leave her alone.
I'm tired of hearing the backing of this man.
You can go away if you're tired.
Let's go inside.
Hey, go inside.
We shall see when my daughter becomes here. Let's go inside.
Cross it. A princess does not speak anyhow, and a princess does not walk anyhow. A princess walks with dignity.
Yes, Madam Papa.
Sir, set your chest forward. Dignity, yeah. Smile. Yeah.
I wonder. The children are even crossing them.
Yes. Cross it very well. Don't shake.
Father, are we actually having this conversation? I can't believe that. An arrangement? Come on, Dad.
Look, all I want is what is best for you, the royal family, and everyone.
And I guess Tony and the father are inclusive.
Come on. Don't rub that in my face. It was a simple mistake.
A mistake that would have ruined our life and possession. Father, what makes you think that you have the right to know what is best for me? Why don't you just allow me to make the mistakes than making the mistakes for me?
Anthony, you speak as if you have someone in your life, when it is obvious that you don't.
Father, how can I start something serious with anyone when you cannot give me the breathing space with all this your numerous arrangement, friends and allies?
What do you mean by that, Anthony?
Daddy, see, I need some moment of peace. It's very obvious that I cannot get the peace that I want in this palace. So I am going to take a vacation in our village. And I'm going to do it with Grandma. At least she can give me peace and hope. I better take my leave now. Have a nice day.
I can't help this. But blame myself for not doing the right thing. Huh? I allowed happiness override my sense of responsibility. Huh?
Okay, dear. Don't be too hard on yourself. It could happen to anybody. Considering the joy you had when your two wives were coming out from theater with two beautiful daughters.
See, Okwoha, my brother, we are saying the same thing. Eh? But I never knew it would matter. But here I am, with a knot in my hand that is hard to crack. The
question now is, what do we do? How did we come around this?
Yeah. Now, do I know what to do and I'm here asking questions? I am confused. Huh?
It is even becoming harder than I thought.
Now you are seeing it from the same angle. Huh?
Hi. Ghost Nade.
Oh.
We will see what to do. For now, I'll be going.
Okay.
I will see what I can do.
Okay, call them up.
It's all right.
How did I allow myself? Oh, okay, friend.
Hello, dear.
Awesome, dear. Who is your dear?
I am so sorry about that.
You must be very stupid. You're a stupid man.
I'm just saying sorry for what I did to you right now, okay? Besides, the water didn't even touch you.
Oh, so your intention was for the water to touch me before you know you did something wrong. Now I know that telling you are stupid is just a compliment. It was wrong.
But I just said I'm sorry.
Why you're sorry now? Why you're sorry now? I want to okay.
Listen to me now.
Okay, ma. Don't call me your dear. Don't your dear. Don't call me your dear.
It's okay.
As you can see, there is no more water here. What do you intend to do this time around?
I know. I'm just being remorseful of what I did. Okay, based on that dirty water. Okay, I am so sorry. It's my fault.
I should jump to the heaven because she said you are sorry. Don't call me again. No. Don't you dare stop me again.
My dear, see what I'm trying to do. Hey.
Don't try to touch me your cursed hands. Easy. Oh, they sent you. Huh?
It's okay. My hands are not crossed. Anyway, I just want to see if I can drop you off or take you to wherever you're going to.
Go
okay,
to hell.
If you don't mind. You going to hell?
I'm gonna go hell. You're the one going to hell.
Nebechi! Is this a ghost or my daughter? Nebechi, stop there! Nebechi, come on, stop there! Nebechi! I said stop! Nebechi! Nebechi! What is the meaning of this nonsense? Oh, has it gotten to the point of you ignoring me? You didn't even notice me at all. Nebechi, Ogini, what is your problem? Huh? Nebechi.
Hey, Big Mama.
See who is here.
Big Mama, how are you?
Fine, and you?
I'm good.
So good. So someone remembered at last to pay a visit to his grandmama.
Don't make it sound as if I've never been here before.
Don't even go there. That was some 15 years ago when you came with your mother, my daughter. You came visiting.
Yeah, but we normally see whenever you come to the palace to visit.
Anyway, I'm happy you're here. You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I hope you didn't find it difficult locating here.
Not at... Okay, I'll say a bit. I find it difficult a bit, but I made it fun on my way coming.
Youth and adventure. You're welcome.
Mama, I'm perceiving something very delicious.
You came right on time. Your best is cooking. Your best
Big Mama.
cooking. So how is your daddy?
Fine. Everybody's fine.
He's looking as good
Mama.
as you are. You're hungry. Don't worry.
That's special. I used to cook.
You came right on time. Where is Aloy?
Wait a minute. You mean why Uncle said all that to you?
Yes, and even more. She said I should go and look for who my real father is, instead of dragging their differ with the only biological daughter of this family.
Hey! No, I can't take this anymore. I cannot take it. I am going to confront that good-for-nothing woman.
Hey! You want to go and confront Wanyunkwo for telling the truth, Okoya? Yeah! How long do you intend to hide the truth? I'm asking you, for how long? Tell her the truth now and save her this agony. And I don't feel Neko. You are looking at me.
Ngozi. Ching. Ngozi.
Chenwe!
Mama, what is going on? Talk to me, what is going on? Mama, what is going on? What is going on?
I warn her. Warn her to stop gossiping with my name and the paternity of my daughter around the village. What is even the meaning of that?
Honestly, what I don't know is why she is doing all this. Why?
Are you asking me? Nai, are you asking me? Listen, this is creating a very big gap between my daughter and I can no longer stay calm. better put an end to it. Yes, put an end to it, else the war that will come through this will be bigger than Iran and Iraq. I've said my own.
Hi. You people have even given me more than that already. You now say Iran and Iraq. Yeah? Hi. Okay.
Don't come here, dear.
It's okay.
As you can see, there is no more water here. What do you intend to do this time around?
I know. I'm just being remorseful of what I did. Okay, based on that dirty water. Okay, I am so sorry. It's my fault.
I should jump to the heaven because she said you are sorry. Don't call me again, no. Don't you dare stop me again.
My dear, see what I'm trying to do.
Don't try to touch me, your cursed hands. Ebek, easy. Oh, they sent you. Onya dinyeregi? Huh?
It's okay. My hands are not crossed. Anyway, I just want to see if I can drop you off or take you to wherever you're going to.
Go
okay,
to
if
hell.
you don't mind. You going to hell?
Oh, get like a hell. You're the one going to hell.
Such a radiant smile can only be caused by one thing. You're thinking about a woman. Am I wrong? Oh, come on, tell me. Who is she? What's her name and where is she from?
Well, I don't even know her name.
Who?
Yes. I met her on my way coming here and...
You met her in this village?
Yes, here in this village. Just that she's kind of rude. But I don't mind anyway, you know. Omanuku. I think I'm in love.
My grandson is in love. Anthony, I've never seen you like this before.
Yes, because I've never seen a woman like this before.
Did I hear you say a woman?
No, a girl. Beautiful girl.
Be naughty. But you would have at least got to know her name and other details about her.
I was carried away by her beauty. Oh, you won't understand.
My grandson is in love.
Come, Ngozi. What exactly do you want to achieve from all this? Huh? What is your mission?
My mission is to open up a secret that has been covered for so many years. It is dangling in front of you. Are you not seeing it? You pretend not to notice or see it.
I told you how everything happened. Did I not tell you?
Yes, you did. But that is according to what she told you. Which is not the truth. Yes. Naibia, are you not seeing the evidence?
What evidence are you talking about? Eh? See, Ngozi, if you don't stop all this nonsense, I will deal with you severely. Am I clear?
Yes, again.
I will deal with you. You heard me.
You will deal with me severely. Hey! Yeah! Oh! Look at the person that I'm even helping. You want to deal with me severely. Okay? Good. Iche, I am the only wife in this compound. Ask your mistress where she brought that pregnancy from. That she jumped on you when you were drunk, making you to believe that you are the one responsible for it. Ask her.
Ngozi.
Don't call my name.
Ngozi.
Don't call my name. Don't call my name.
Ngozi, I am still talking to you. Ngozi. Hey. Look at what I brought upon myself. Eh? Abugini kanji si kotenu. Hey.
Who knows if she's going to pass here? I don't even know her name to start from. Let me still have hope. Hello. How are you?
Fine, sir. Good afternoon.
They don't greet people in your village or something.
Sorry, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good, good. I'm looking for a young lady. Actually, I don't know her name. You know, it's funny though. She's not too tall, dark in complexion. She's a bit chubby. You know, she's beautiful. I don't know.
No, I don't think I know her.
But you're from here.
Yes, sir.
You've not come across someone like that before.
No. I don't know.
Are you sure you're from here, or this is your maternal home?
I'm from here, sir.
I met her somewhere here. I think she used to pass here or something. I don't know.
I don't know.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. This one don't even know anything. The Colonel newspaper. I think I have to go and try again tomorrow. Yeah, I have to go now. Hello. How are you?
I'm fine.
You see, I am so sorry for the other day. I wasn't really looking. Okay, I hope you've forgiven me.
I should be the one saying I am sorry here. I mean, I overreacted and I shouldn't have. It's because I was very, 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 very angry that day.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that. That means we've forgiven each other, right?
You're not serious.
I am not serious. Serious people are there in the hospital.
Hey, oh my goodness. You're a clown.
Am I?
You are, I think so.
Anyway, thank you for that compliment.
You're welcome.
My name is Anthony. And you?
My name is Nebechi Ibeokoye. But I'm not saying I know everybody in this village. It's just that I've never seen your face. Are you from here?
Yes and no. Yes, in the sense that my mother is from here.
Oh.
Yes, and I'm from Okora Kingdom. My name is Tony Ezago. But my grandmother is from here. And my grandmother is Mama P.
Chineke! Really? Madam Peace?
Yes.
The retired midwife?
Exactly.
She's your grandmother?
Emia?
Mommy, when I marry her, oh my God. You're so funny. What a world.
Yeah.
Anyway, Mr. Anthony, I think I would have to leave you right now. My mother sent me on an errand.
Okay, then I can take you to wherever you're going to if you don't mind.
Yay! Who will mind when I'm going far? I don't mind though. Take me on a lift.
So, this is your house?
Yes, so thanks for the lift. It was helpful.
Come on, it's nothing. A beautiful girl like you deserves more than that. So, When am I seeing you again?
You can't.
What? Why?
I was only joking. Well, you can call me whenever you like. No problem.
Please, next time, don't joke like that to me again. Okay? Do you know that my heart nearly jumps out of my mouth?
Tell me about it.
Oh God, this girl. It's okay. I am going to call you tonight. Is it okay by you?
It's okay. But that's if you're not going to ask me to be your girlfriend, though.
You're just impossible. Oh my God.
I know. Anyway, bye-bye. I'd have said let me give you a peck, but I don't know you that well. So bye. Bye.
Oh my God, I just love this girl.
Who is that man? Are you not even sure he's the driver of that car?
So, you mean you went through all this just to see a lady?
Grandma, what will I do? I don't know how else to go about this since I had no information about her. See, let me tell you the truth. This is what most young men went through just to see a lady. But they won't just say it.
Oh, children of nowadays. You say her name is?
Her name is Nebechi. Nebechi Be Okoye. Grandma, is everything okay?
Yes. Everything is okay. She's a pretty girl. And I know her family very well.
Hello, pretty.
Hi, ugly.
Am I ugly?
Your mirror will be the judge. How was your day?
My day was a bit busy since I dropped you off.
Busy thinking about me, I guess.
Why would you say that?
Because it is obvious you like me a lot. Don't you?
I liked you before. I used to like you, Dawn, but right now, I'm in love with you.
So when is the wedding?
What? What wedding?
My parents.
What kind of human being are you? You're malt, eh?
Well, you will get to find out soon.
You know what? I just like you. Your sense of humor with a big sarcasm in it.
I like the sound of that.
Why won't you when you want to give me baby? So how are you?
You understand?
Okay, so you don't want to come in?
You know the reason.
Okay, but it does not still affect anything. Okay, okay. Till then.
You're very stubborn. Why? Why are you so stubborn?
I know. Bye-bye.
No problem. I'll call you, okay? Just like that? You just want to leave like that? You just want to leave like that? Ah, come on. Shakara. Shakara. Mm. Okay.
Bye-bye.
I'll call you, okay?
Call me, oh.
Yeah, I will.
Yeah, hello, boss. Yeah. No, I'm not there. Will it be possible tomorrow? Okay. I'll be right there. I'll be right there, sir. Thank you, sir. I'll call you once I get there, sir. Yes, boss. Thank you, sir. Babe, it's my boss, and it's very important that I go there.
Another excuse for you not to come to my house.
No, don't say that, okay? See, it's very important I go there. It's a very, very, very important thing. I'll be there.
It's fine. I'm not important. It's fine. You can go to your boss.
See, babe, I promise to make it up to you, okay? Trust me.
That is what I hear every day. I will make it up to you. When will you ever stop this? I will make it up to you. And do you know what? Just drop me at that junction. Drop me here. I will find my way home. That's fine.
Babe, you need to calm down, right? You're very important to me. You should know this.
My son, you are welcome once again.
Thank you, sir.
I really appreciate your coming. But you should have at least informed us of your coming so that we prepare for you now.
Yes.
Yes, sir, you're right, actually. But I wanted to take your beautiful daughter to somewhere. Yes, this is just an informal visit. I am going to do it formally and declare my intentions towards your beautiful daughter.
My son, that was very thoughtful of you. It's only responsible men think that direction. I can see you are very responsible. And you are welcome once again.
Thank you so much for your kind words. Thank you.
My son, you're welcome to our house. You're welcome. My daughter here has already told me much about you. And I am glad to finally meet you. You're welcome, eh?
Okay. Thank you, ma.
My son, something is missing here.
Okay.
Yes, you have not told us where you come from.
Yes.
I'm from Okwara Kingdom. Actually, this is my maternal home. Yes, my mother is from here. And I'm a grandson of Mama P.
In other words, we have the prince in our house.
Hey.
This is wonderful.
The prince.
How you doing?
You're welcome. Hey.
Thank you, ma'am.
I never knew that late Adure, the daughter of Peace, had a grown-up son like you. This is surprising. You're welcome once again.
Thank you.
That's Madam Peace's grandson. Why are they calling him a prince? Your Majesty. No. My mother must hear of this one. I must tell my mom.
You're welcome.
Nice to meet you people.
You're welcome, eh?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You have a very beautiful daughter.
Yes.
You know your luck is just that you told me you are royalty before coming to the house. If not, I would not have had it lightly with you at all. Oh.
Granny told me that your father and your stepmother are both aware that my mother got married to the king of Okora Kingdom. You know, I had to tell you before you fight me.
Wait. So you mean I'm a troublemaker?
Obviously you are. Seriously, yes. Anyway, I've been wanting to ask you this. Where did you get this color from? Because both your parents are fair in complexion.
People ask me this question a lot too. Anyway, my mother said her father is actually dark.
Hmm?
And then my mother's uncle is very, very dark. In fact, that one is like charcoal.
Hmm?
We should be around the age of Madame Peace.
Oh.
Let's go.
Anyway, that's nice. I like your color though. I don't even like fair people at all.
So you fell in love with me because of my skin tone, okay?
You know you have bad mouths. Both your parents are good people and they talk well. They talk wonderfully. But I don't know where you get this your bad mouth from. From where?
Chilukwa. That's it. I call now when bad mouths.
Seriously, Onoga Joker? Eh? Onogi? Hey! But in a good way though.
Who is smiling with you?
Okay, I'm sorry, I'm just joking. Okay, I'm just joking because I don't want your trouble now. I'm just joking, I'm sorry. Yes.
Buy me pizza.
Pizza?
Yes.
Spell pizza.
Hey.
Pizza.
Hey.
Okay.
Hey!
Done. Deal. I'm going to even get two for you.
Hey. I go back.
For your bad mouth, eh? Okay, sorry now, sorry.
Come in.
What do you have here? Anthony, how are you?
Oh, I'm fine.
Are you
You're fine.
okay, welcome. How are your parents? Sit down. So tell me.
Yeah. Did you see that boy is a grandson to Mother Peace?
Yes, Mama. He even said that himself. Mama. Is he a prince?
Yes. The mother was married to the king of Opera Kingdom. This is unbelievable.
Mama, it is unbelievable. It is.
This is not right. Bam. Chinwe managed to buy over Madame Peace and now her grandson. That means we have lost completely. Yes. It won't work. But wait, oh. I have not seen this boy in this village. How did they manage to find out about him?
Mama, you have a point there. I mean, they must be up to something. We need to do something very fast also.
Chinwe. So this is the reason for the glow on her face ever since they came here. I know exactly what your plans are. It won't work. Never.
Mama,
it will not work.
It will not work. We have to do something. You have to do something. Mama, I cannot completely lose.
Amaka, do not worry yourself. Calm down.
Calm down?
Yes. I know what to do. I know how to handle them. I will couple them. Don't worry. I'm your mother, okay? I gave birth to you. So forget it. Let's go.
Let's go.
Yes, my car just broke down now. Huh? I'm at the primary school road. Okay, Grand. Okay, thank you. Chiba is calling me.
What is keeping you now? It's been about 30 minutes you said you were coming.
Yeah, my car just broke down. I'm on the road.
What happened?
I wouldn't know, but the mechanic is coming to fix it.
So where? Where are you?
I'm on the road that we met.
Okay, I'll be there right away.
It's alright.
Our people say that a stitch in time saves 9. That's the reason I've come to see you, to remind you of the Crown Prince presenting a bride before the next offerer. You see, the cabinet chiefs have met and they sent me to remind you that the Crown Prince have just 2 weeks to present a bride to the Royal Council as the tradition demands.
Oh no. You've spoken well. As a matter of fact, I'm conversant with all you've said. However, I would like to make a rare request.
What could that be?
Could you please help to shift the dates a little bit, say for a fortnight?
Your Majesty, you know that what you're asking for is quite difficult. This is a secured right that is duly and timely performed. You see, the Crown Prince that fails to present a bride on the due date definitely is unprepared to rule. And that disqualifies him from ascending the throne. Well, however, he can contest the crown. But you and I know that that's also a mission impossible. You know all this, Your Majesty.
I know, oh no. And that is why I am making this rare request. That is why I'm looking for a way for us to extend the date. The truth of the matter is that my son has not even found himself a girl that he can marry. As a matter of fact, he's not even dating any girl as we speak. You see my predicament?
I'm very sorry. This is not really good at all. It is really unfortunate that it is not good for a crown prince not to have a bride before the due date. He had all the time to himself. It's not as if he was under duress. So why?
What is going on?
So this is what I would have gotten myself into. God forbid. I'd rather remain single than marrying a girl born out of incest. Never. My father would have seen a reason to back up his stance concerning picking a bride for me. Thank God I escaped this bump.
What in God's name is going on? What did that evil woman tell him that's making him ignore me? He couldn't even look at my face. And now he's not taking my calls? What did she tell him? But he could have at least talked to me about it.
Nebechi, my daughter. What are you doing out here all alone by this time of the night? I've been looking for you everywhere. Nebechi. Nebechi. What is it? Why are you crying? Huh?
I've been standing here for over 30 seconds and you didn't notice me.
Oh, really?
Yes. Just you were thinking deeply. What's bothering you? What's on your mind, son?
Mama, nothing. Nothing. I'm fine. I'm fine. Trust me, I'm good. Nothing to worry about. Yes.
Nothing. You're fine. And yet, you're here at this time of the night in deep thoughts.
Grandma, if it's something so serious, I'll tell you. Yeah, I'll tell you. But it's nothing to worry about, so I'm fine.
Anthony, you're lying and you know it. If you don't want to talk about it, I understand. Whenever you're ready to talk, I'll be available. But for now, please, go in. It's late in the night.
I'm right behind you, Mommy. I'm fine.
So you mean you actually saw her discussing with Prince Anthony?
And they both left. Immediately they saw me.
What could she have told him?
I wouldn't know. But whatever it is, he should have at least talked it over with me. They're keeping me in the dark.
Ngozi is at it again. Ngozi. Ngozi, what do you really want to achieve with all this? Huh? My daughter, I suggest you pay him a visit. Please.
Mama, are you sure he will give me audience? Because he's not even taking my calls. Because I have been calling and calling and calling him. And he's not taking my calls.
You wouldn't know until you try. Huh? That woman is evil. She must have said so many ugly things about you to spoil his mind. Yes! But you need to say things right. And you wouldn't do that standing and crying here. You need to visit him. Please, my daughter. Huh? You need to visit him. Oh? You know, go now. Stop crying. Stop crying. Stop crying. Stop crying. It's okay. It's okay. Let's go in. Let's go in. Let's go in. Stop crying. Stop crying. You know?
But that's a lie. It's not true.
Tell me that you're not aware that the man you're living with is not your father. No, tell me.
Kahina Kako. The man I am living with is my father, of course. Icheibe.
You're such a blatant liar. Yes. What baffles me is that you knowing all these things without doing anything. That means you're not better than your mother.
Stop. Stop. Just stop it already, please. That woman has always hated my mother and I. And that's why she lied to you.
The hatred made her to expose what could have been a calamity to me and the entire Okora family. So go and sort yourself out with your mother and your uncle and let me be.
This is not fair. Chike, is it fair?
The situation you and your mother are putting me into is what is not fair. Do you understand? Right now, leave this place before I push you out. I'll call the gate man to throw you away. Leave now.
It's me. No problem.
Crocodile. Kangaroo.
I saw Nebechi crying. What happened?
Crocodile tears.
What? Now talk to me. What happened?
So she can cry. Almighty Nebeshi. Good. There is an adage which says, he who laughs last, laughs the best. You and your mother were laughing before now. Now it is my turn to laugh. And I will laugh the very, very best. Yes. I will laugh and laugh and laugh and laugh and continue to laugh. And no fear. You will cry until you begin to know who your father is.
But that's absurd.
Exactly.
And you believe that?
I have no reason not to believe it. I mean, it was very clear.
Son, there's something I must tell you. There's need to let you know that. Yes.
Mama, you've not said anything all this while. You said you want to tell me something.
Okay. Who's calling?
It's the king.
Pick his call.
No, go ahead with the discussion. I'll talk to him later.
No, son. Talk to your father
Mama,
first.
I'll call him back.
Talk to your father first. We'll finish up the discussion later in the night. Excuse me.
Long live the king.
Anthony, what is wrong with you? Huh? I've been calling your line since yesterday and you refuse to pick in my calls?
But I just picked my call now. I wasn't with my phone all this while.
Well, I'll pretend I didn't hear that because I have a bigger issue to handle right now. Now, I need to see you here by tomorrow. Unfailingly, we'll have something very important to attend to.
Father, whatever it is, we can talk it over the phone. Besides, I'm not done with the vacation yet.
Come on, don't be ridiculous. I need to see you here tomorrow. Now, let me remind you, I am not only your father, I am your king. So you must be here by tomorrow. Is that understood?
But Father, what if I had traveled out of the country?
And there is no flight to take you back to Nigeria?
Dad, see, I've heard what you said. I've heard you. But I'm not going to return immediately. Yes, I'm not going to return immediately. And I wouldn't want to get any pressure from you, nor Grandma. And also, I will not hesitate to go elsewhere if I do not get the peace here.
Anthony, nobody is going to mount pressure on you to do anything. But I'm sure you are intelligent and smart enough to read the handwriting on the wall and do the needful. Okay?
What? Oh my God! So he said Ngozi told him all that?
Yes, Mama.
Hey, Ngozi! Ngozi, has it gone
Mama, stop this Ngozi and tell me what I need to know. Who am I? Who is my father? Explain to me, it's what I heard, Drew.
Kelechi, have you gone mad? I thought we have resolved this.
No, we haven't. Tell me what I need to know, the whole truth. How come you are Alpha and I am dark in complexion? How come my grand uncle would accept to keep saying he is my father? Who am I? Just tell me already, Mama. Tell me, who am I?
Can you hear yourself
talk?
My
father!
Can you hear yourself talk? How can your grand uncle be your father?
I don't know. Maybe you tell me.
How possible is that?
Please.
I'm asking you. How possible is it?
I need answers, no questions, no questions. Who is my father?
Nebeti, will you stop that rubbish? Stop it! What is wrong with you? Mama,
just tell me who I am. Who is my father?
take it again. Ngozi!
Who is that? Who is that?
You must tell me today how my uncle got me pregnant. Ngozi. Yes, you must explain to me today. Or Ngozi.
Or what?
Is it me you are asking?
What will you do if I do not explain to you? What? Just tell me what you can do or what you want to do. Oh no, I'm asking you. If I don't tell you now, what will you do? Okay. So your daughter is now asking you to tell her who her father is. Eh? Hey. Bia. You better tell her the truth now. Tell her the truth now because you know who she is. You know now, you know who she is.
Ngozi, so it has gotten to the extent of gossiping with my name. Ngozi, you must tell me and you must explain. Ngozi, where do you think you are going? I'm asking you and you are stepping out. Yeah. Are you walking out on me? Ngozi, I'm not laughing. I'm not laughing with you. I'm not joking.
Leave my rapper.
Leave who?
Leave my rapper.
To me.
You have started to leave my rapper. Somebody should call her now. Somebody should call. Is there anybody in this club? Come and hold her.
Ngozi, listen.
You are trying me.
I'm not laughing with you. I'm not laughing with you. Yes. I'm not laughing with you. Yes.
You are not laughing with me.
Ngozi, you eh?
You are not laughing.
Yes, I'm not laughing. Ngozi, is it me? You are. Nah. This is the height of it. Ngozi must explain how my uncle got me pregnant. Else, this whole house will not contain the two of us.
This house has never contained the both of us before. It has never. So the earlier you begin to live, the better for you.
Because will you stop that nonsense? I say stop. How could you make such wide accusation of my wife? Huh?
Wild accusation? Let her deny it.
Deny what? Nai, did you hear her?
But let me...
Did you hear her?
Now, Ngozi, let me ask you, what do you stand to gain with all this?
To set the record very straight. Very, very straight. And to remove you from the shame you brought upon yourself when you brought her into this house.
Then why didn't you tell me before going around the village to speak such lies against my wife? Why didn't you tell me?
The ones I told you before, what did you do about it? Did you do anything? So why are you expecting me to tell you anything now? No, tell me.
Ngozi, listen. You always get away with everything you do in this house, but not on this one. This time around, you have eaten more than your stomach can contain.
There is nothing.
I'm not keeping quiet in this one, Onai.
Listen. Let me just tell you, Chinwe, there is nothing on this earth that my stomach cannot contain. Yes. So there is nothing it cannot contain, especially when it has to do with you. You are too small. Yes.
All right, we shall see.
We are not seeing anything, no. Don't be deceived because we are not seeing anything. The only thing we will see is when you and your daughter begin to pack your load and leave this house.
Huh?
Yes.
Nai. Okay, forget. Did you hear her? Did you hear her, Nai? Calm what down? I'm not coming any down because I've been keeping quiet for you in this house. I will not keep quiet for you. This time around, because I will not keep quiet.
There is nothing.
Because I'm not keeping quiet.
There is nothing.
We will take it. There is nothing you can do. Who? Onya?
Greetings, ma.
Greetings. Who are you and what can we do for you?
My name is Syracuse Ozemina. I'm here to see Amaka.
Oh, so you are the unfortunate one they were talking about.
Unfortunate one? What do you mean by that?
Who are you to her?
I'm her boyfriend. As a matter of fact, we've gone past the level of boyfriend and girlfriend. I plan making her my wife very soon.
Maybe I shouldn't say this. But someone needs to put an end to this madness they call business. Yes.
What madness are you talking about? What business?
Well, the person you intend making your wife is only preparing you for business. Yes. All she does is to bring in a man and introduce to her mother. The next thing, they will milk you dry with whatever charm they use and throw you away immediately your pocket is empty.
What?
It might interest you that they just left to see their latest catch off. Yes.
Yes, now.
Because I overheard her telling her mother that they should let him go because someone else is coming here.
Oh, okay, that fair one that came.
That's what I heard them say.
The fair one that they just went to see.
Yeah,
okay.
They just left. Oh. So you are their next victim, Ekwa?
Even the one that came yesterday now. You know he was shouting.
They were complaining.
Saying that they milked him dry and discarded him like that.
Was that the reason she insisted I come visit her here? So this has been her plan all along.
Wait, are you talking to us?
No, I'm not talking to you. Thank you very much for the kind gesture you've shown me. I really appreciate it.
Because
hold on a bit. In case if she denies it, tell her I was the one that told you. Inugo, Ogo ise anomu ugwaria. Keki sifi. Trust your mother.
How did you get this idea?
In Asim, how did you get this idea?
Yes,
now.
I have been underestimating you all this while.
Oh, better don't underestimate me again.
I
know what. Ngozi Ganu Win.
Nemo,
I'm out for her. Yes, now. I'm out for her. Ngozi
Hello? Hold it there. Who is your baby? Who is your baby? What? You didn't know I would be coming by this time, right? Because you are busy doing other business, right? You think I won't come by this time, isn't it? Seeing off your victims, of course. Listen, let me tell you something. The woman in there has told me everything I need to know about you and your evil mother. How you people bring in men and use your evil charm to dry them their pocket. Then you send them off the streets like a filth. And exactly what you intend to do with me, right? You think I will not find out? You have failed. How? Why wouldn't I believe her? Just tell me one reason I shouldn't believe her. Listen to me and listen very, very carefully this time around. Don't ever in your life call my number again. Are you listening to me? Rubbish. Stupid girl. All this.
Chinwe! Come out here! Come out here! Come out here! Fast!
I'm out. What is it?
Fast! Come out!
Oh, give me.
What did you tell my daughter?
Oh! What is the It looks like the message has already been delivered to the ears of whom it was meant for. Oh, yeah.
You are an idiot.
You are an idiot too.
You are an idiot.
You are
Maybe
an
you
idiot
think I am
too.
joking. You think this is a moonlight story? Okay?
Do you think I'm joking?
Chinwe, what exactly did you tell my daughter's visitor?
Exactly what he needed to hear. I would love to say more if only I can see him again. Nebiko, when is he coming back to this house?
You are an evil woman.
You are an evil girl.
You are very wicked.
You are wicked girl.
You are very mean.
You are mean girl.
Look at you, a mother like you.
Chinwe, how dare you?
You dared me first. And I am out to reply you. You've not seen the end of it, oh. Ngozi, it's an umbamba. I am ready to reply you. You've not seen the end of it. What do you mean? What do you mean? Am I seeing you?
I'm just leaving you.
Oh, my son. Sorry I kept you waiting.
Rama, are you sure you're ready for this?
Yes, I am. Let's go.
It's not over yet. I will so deal with you. I will so deal with you. You not believe me.
On the floor. From the floor.
Eh?
Bring it on.
Okay.
Yes, I said bring it on.
Okay.
Let me show you the stuff I am made of.
Okay.
Now you have seen how it hurts, eh? Okay, if you go say afofo. Or the maid too.
What is this time? Eh? What is this madness all about in my house?
This witch of a woman told my daughter Suto lies about me and my daughter.
What did she lie about this time?
Papa, she told him that my mother and I are into the business of men. And we use charm to extort money from them and discard them afterwards. Papa, that is what your witch of a wife said.
What?
Same way your witch of a mother told my fiancé that I'm a product of incest.
Will you shut your mouth?
What will you do?
Shut it up.
What will you do?
I said shut it up.
She is your daughter.
God forbid.
Yeah.
God forbid.
God forbid.
I will never give birth to a bastard. I cannot be a mother.
Yeah.
Witch. God forbid.
Witch. She is not a bastard. She is your biological daughter.
Wait, Madam Peace. What do you mean by my daughter is her biological daughter? Makagini.
I think it is high time we all talked about this.
What in God's name is wrong with you?
Ma?
You didn't say ma? I instructed you to take the pills to the patient in ward 2. It's over 40 minutes since I gave you that instruction. What is wrong with you?
Ma. I'm so sorry for what I've done.
Sorry for what? What are you talking about? Huh?
It's not even about what just happened, but about what happened before. And it has been killing me. I want to confess.
Confess what? What are you talking about? Confess what?
It's about the 2 women that gave birth a month ago through CS.
What about them?
Ma, after the babies were washed and put in their respective beds, you instructed that the fair complexion woman will be put beside her baby wrapped in white cloth, while the dark complexion woman will be put beside her baby wrapped in black cloth.
And what happened?
I forgot and switched bed for them.
What? You did what? How?
I actually ran back to the ward when I realized, but on getting there, they were already bounding with the babies. And I was afraid because of the enmity between them.
Oh, and you kept this away from me all this while? It's been over a month since they gave birth here, for God's sake. Hi. What am I going to do now? How do I take care of this thing? How best do I go about this? Think. I think I have to see them immediately. Just pray. They resolve this amicably. Else!
Madam, please, what are you saying?
Nebechi is your daughter, and Amaka here is Chinwe's.
Hey! Madam, please. Why didn't you come here or send for my brother since 25 years to resolve this issue?
I rushed down here immediately, but that was when I had that accident that almost took my life. You all know that I was in coma for 4 years until my husband took me to the States for proper medication. I came back, developed complications, and was taken back to the States. When I came back now, 4 years back, my late daughter's husband insisted that I stay with them in Okwara village so that they will have close monitor on me. I've been back to our own village here for about 2 years now, but honestly, I didn't know how to start going about all this. But it was giving me sleepless nights. It was. But here we are today.
This is a mystery. Hi.
Finally, the bastard happens to be my daughter. Actually, she looks like me, you know. But the hatred for her mother did not allow me to see it. Please, my child, come and hug your mother.
So, Amaka, you are really my daughter.
Chinwe, I am sorry for everything that I have done to you all these years. Please, forgive me.
Same here, Ngozi. Please forgive me for everything.
Thank you for taking care of my daughter.
Thank you too for taking care of my daughter, Mama Nebechi.
Mama Amaka.
Ichebe, I'm truly sorry for everything. It was never intentional. Please find a place in your heart to forgive me.
This would have been a costly mistake in some cases. But here it has brought joy in my house. A bond that can hardly be broken.
Nebechi, you see, I am sorry for...
It's okay. I mean,
Your decision was quite rash. But I understand.
Nebechi Ibe. It is going to be a great honor if you would accept to be my wife.
Waste one more second and my answer will be no.
Fighting cannot solve this situation. Quarreling cannot solve this situation. It's only love. Only love. It's only love. I feel it. Only love. But keep your distance from people who we never understand.